Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at how you can create your own song using ChatGPT and Suno.com. So ChatGPT, what we will be doing, we'll be creating the lyrics of your song, and then if you wish to edit it out, you can edit it out, or you can use it as it is. So that will be you can create a new altogether song that lyrics has not been used at all till now. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be creating the lyrics first, and then we will create the music and everything, the voices in Suno.com. So Suno.com provides you just give it to lyrics to it, and Suno.com will convert it into your song, sung by some voices. It has some personal voices that you can use, and the lyrics, and it will also provide you the music options tab, whether you can choose a Punjabi music or a Bollywood music, or some rock or pop out there. That depends on you. Okay, so let's create a Bollywood song today. So I'll ask ChatGPT, create a new Bollywood dance number with some Punjabi in it. Okay, so let's see what it does. Okay, I wanted only the I didn't want the translation part. Anyway, we will see. Yeah, so let's copy it out, and we'll go to Suno.com. So you can go to Suno.com, and there you can test it out. You can create a new song. So they are giving their V4 version, some free credits out there. So I'll be choosing a V4 version of it, and there you can see, you can enter 3000 characters lyrics. So I'll just paste it whatever that we have, and remove the chunk that we don't need. Okay, so the translation part also I don't need. So I'll just remove the translation part here. Yes. Yeah. So it's Bollywood Dance. Let's rename it as Bollywood Dance, and I will just make it as a Punjabi, Bollywood theme. Okay, and you can use any of the things that you wish to have. If you want to use tabla in it, so I'll just put tabla also there. Okay, if you want some EDM or trance, that's up to you. Pop also, that's up to you. Okay, so let's create this song. Okay, there are personas also. So personas, that is if you want a specific voice for all of your songs, then you can go and select a particular persona. That is a paid version of it, but the free version is good enough for the new audience that wants to create something. So I have created all these songs, so I'll just create this another one. So Bollywood Dance is the new song, and it will create two versions of it together. So it's creating right now. So it takes a minute or two. Sometimes it does it previously also. So previously it took not that more than 30 seconds and all. So let's see how much time it takes right now. Yeah, it has created now. So there are two versions of it, so let's listen to both of them.
ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਜੀ ਢੋਲ ਦਾ ਬੀਟ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਓ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ ਸੀਟ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਘੁੰਮ ਲੈ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਵਾਈਬ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਰਾਤ ਭਰ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਬੱਸ ਵਾਲੀ ਗਾੜੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਆਲਾ ਪੈਗ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲ.
So it has created a like a complete Punjabi song only. So I will listen to the other version of it. Yeah, the first one we did, I guess.
ਉਹ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਜੀ ਢੋਲ ਦਾ ਬੀਟ ਨੱਚ ਲਿਓ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ ਸੀਟ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਘੁੰਮ ਲੈ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਵਾਈਬ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਰਾਤ ਭਰ ਸਜਣਾ ਬਸ ਵਾਲੀ ਗਾੜੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ
So this is what it is. Like, this is a Punjabi song as of now. So instead of that, like, if I ask it, like, my local song, so can you create a Chota Nagpuri song? Jharkhandi song for me. Okay, fine. So yeah, it is creating as of now, and then we can just copy this whole thing once it is done. Okay, yeah, and then again we will go there to the home page, and it's giving free version again, so we'll do Control A, Control V. Translation was not needed, but yeah, I think even if you keep the translations also, it will give you the song. And then yes, and then we'll remove it. Then again I'll just make it Bollywood, maybe Nagpuri. I don't know whether they have this version or not. Okay, so I'll try putting Jharkhandi version of it, and then I'll just rename it to Jharkhandi song. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so let's create another song. Yeah, so see, we are again, like, we're creating the song, so it will take 30 odd seconds to create this song. It has created the thumbnails. Now let's listen to it.
और मुस्कान लगाए मंग भोला कानों के झुमका करे रंग दोला.
Yeah, so it's like, it's a random lyrics that I have given, and so I need to check whether they have these versions or not, styles and all. So yeah, it's working pretty good. You can also try it out. So I hope you have liked the video. So do create some songs for yourself and your friends and families, whatever you wish to do. So thank you very much.